In this expression, we're going to write it in simplified form and list the restrictions on the domain. In the very beginning, we want to list the restrictions on the domain. From the first rational expression, we know that x cannot equal to -2. From the second expression, we see that this can actually factor into x minus 2, x plus 2, so we would have restrictions of x cannot equal a positive 2 or a -2, which we've already stated in the first one. So we'll need to hold on to these until the very end. Now we need to work on getting a common denominator. That common denominator is going to be x minus 2 times x plus 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator of each rational expression by what's missing from the common denominator. So let's look at this. 5 can be written as 5 over 1. So if we were to compare the denominator with the common denominator, what's missing? Well, everything. So we're going to have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by x minus 2 times x plus 2. Now if we look at the second rational expression, if we compare this denominator with our common denominator, what's missing? X minus 2. So we'll take and multiply the numerator and the denominator by x minus 2. And in the last rational expression, we have everything that we need. We're not missing anything, so we'll just bring it down. Now that we have a common denominator, we can write all the numerator over one denominator. Now we'll need to simplify by distributing here, here, and then combining our like terms. Here's the numerator that we're working with, and we're just going to focus on the numerator without worrying about the denominator for right now. X minus 2 times x plus 2 is x squared minus 4. Distribute the x. We get x squared minus 2x minus 8. Last, we need to distribute the 5. Now let's combine our like terms. We have a 5x squared plus x squared. This gives me 6x squared. We can't combine anything with negative 2x. And then we have negative 20, negative 8. This gives me negative 28. Now let's try factoring this trinomial. First thing I notice is that they all have 2 in common, so we can pull out a 2. Now we'll use the grouping method to factor this trinomial. If we multiply the first and last numbers, we find a negative 42. We need two numbers that multiply together to give us negative 42, but add up to give us the middle number of negative 1. And this is going to be negative 7 and positive 6. So we're going to rewrite the negative x as negative 7x plus 6x. So we have 3x squared minus 7x plus 6x minus 14. And now we'll factor by grouping. From the first group, they have x in common, so we'll pull that out. So we have 3x minus 7. From the second group, they have 2 in common. So that leaves me with 3x minus 7. Now we have 2 times what's in the parentheses, 3x minus 7, times what's not in the parentheses, x plus 2. Now let's write our form over the common denominator. At this point we can simplify by crossing off what the numerator and the denominator have in common. They have x plus 2 in common. This leaves me with my simplified form of 2 times 3x minus 7 all over x minus 2, with the restrictions from the very beginning that we said x could not equal positive 2 or negative 2.